For the development of circuits with tourism potential in India, the Ministry of Tourism has launched Swadesh Darshan scheme to implement projects on priority basis. Promotion of cultural and heritage values, development of facilities at tourist circuits, and raising the standards of the circuits to international levels are the key points being taken up under the scheme. Pathanamthitta Gavi Vagaman Thekadi Eco-Tourist Circuit is part of the Swadesh Darshan scheme in the state. It was in 2015 that the centre introduced the scheme earmarking 76.55 crore rupees. Tourist departments of central and state governments, HPL, KIIDC and PWD are the implementing agencies. Vagaman Eco Adventure Tourism Park worth 41.57 crore rupees is the main project in the scheme. Beautiful entry point and fencing skirting the park have been completed at a cost of 2.52 crore rupees. A tourist amenity center was also constructed at a cost of 2.92 crore rupees. Toughened glass in steel frames with a length of 80 meters is part of the compound wall. Parking lots with a flooring of interlocking tiles, ticket counters, security cabins and souvenir shops were also constructed in the park. Rain shelters with a roofing of multi-wall sheets were installed across the park. At a cost of more than 2 crore rupees, granite floored buggy walkway and tile cycle track were also constructed. The walkway was made beautiful by paving with unpolished granite. Walkways have come up above the natural stream and beside the compound wall. A scheme to supply water at a cost of 5 crore rupees was implemented. Electrification was carried out in the park at a cost of 2.75 crore rupees and lighting units like solar-powered lamps were installed at the walkway. High-quality landscaping and seating places were also completed. The foundation was laid for eco-tents by spending 1 crore rupees. Watchtowers were constructed at a cost of 2.65 crore rupees. A shooting arena with the capacity to use 10 air rifles is a major attraction at the park. Similar to a battlefield, youngsters can have a game at the paintball arena with toy guns. To practice archery, a dedicated arena has also been set up. An arena for four-wheel Ranger 400 model all-terrain vehicles will excite the adventure drivers. Burma Bridge with a rope length of 65 meters is another attraction at the park. Trampoline, rock climbing, valley river crossing, multi-wine walk facility and earthquake walk facility are also there at the park. Built at a cost of 2.28 crore rupees, an amphitheatre that can accommodate 400 people is also set up at the park. A food plaza built at a cost of 57 lakh rupees offers a host of delicacies. The tourist centre also has 8 bio-toilets. Investing 3.61 crore rupees, a dedicated road to Nallathani paragliding point from Vagaman Park was also constructed. Eco Lodge project at Idukki is another scheme under Eco Tourist Circuit. This is next to the beautiful Idukki Park below the Idukki Arch Dam. 12 cottages were constructed for tourists here. The cottages were constructed in full teak wood in accordance with Kerala-style architecture. A similar Eco Lodge project is also there at Pyramid. The cottages in teak wood were constructed next to Government Guest House in Pyramid at a cost of 3.86 crore rupees. Several roads were constructed at Gavi in Pathanamthitta as part of Eco Tourist Circuit. Roads with a width of 5.5 meters were constructed at Angamuri, Kochandi Zone, Muriyar Dam, Muriyar IB, Penstock and Aranamudi. Gavi Ecotourism Centre, Kakki Dam, Ecopara, Kochubamba Trekking Area and Kochubamba IB Photo Point also got 5.5 meter wide roads. The walkway through Pine Valley Forest at Vagaman is another attraction for tourists in the circuit. Besides the Pine Valley Forest, the 39 lakh rupees worth walkways run from Samasand to Anganwadi and from Samasand to Madukavu Bridge. A walkway at Ottakathalamedu viewpoint at Kumili in Thekadi is also part of ecotourism project of Swadesh Darshan scheme. 72 lakh rupees was allotted for this. Lightning arrestor, internet connectivity, CCTV cameras and security equipment were also put up as part of the tourism project. As part of ecotourism circuit, 42 lakh rupees was allotted for constructing a cultural center at Kadamanita. To construct bamboo huts at Kadamanita, 75 lakh rupees was earmarked.